welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another celebrity inspired makeup look. The last one was the Kim K, and today is not other than Jennifer Lopez. Scream. I love her so much, and if you don't know, you should know by now. Her latest video was on her song. It's called El Anillo, or The Ring. All I have to say is that she looked amazing and she did not disappoint at all. She had so many wardrobes and also so many makeup looks, and one of them is this one right here. I loved it so much. It was so dark, yet, you know, mysterious, yet it still had a pop of color, and anything that's green, I'm on it. Did anybody get the JLo Inglot collab products? Because I know I did. I got my hands on it about 2 weeks ago as well. But I also went to the makeup show in New York City and I grabbed so many of her stuff. And if it was me and a perfect girl, I would probably purchase everything, but I couldn't do it. It was so much fun to see everything. If you guys like this type of celebrity makeup looks, by all means, let me know down below. Leave your comments because I would love to know what makeup look did you like on her latest video. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. It's all under BeautybyMariela, and also don't forget to like and share this video if you like, because that helps me out so much. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel in case you didn't. Guys, oh my god, I'm so excited about this. I am. If you guys want to see how I came up with this look, then keep on watching. I already did my eyebrows, as you can see. I already put a little foundation. I wanted to make this as quickly as possible because I need to hurry up and go to work. I'm gonna start with this KIKO long-lasting eyeshadow stick. This is number 10. It's a nice creamy emerald color. I'm gonna apply this right on the outer corner. You don't have to be neat at all, because these are so creamy. You do have 20 seconds of playtime, and I'm just gonna start blending it back and forth. So I'm doing a little windshield wiper motions from one corner to the other. I feel like on her eyes she had almost like a halo eye. Pat, 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 and then blend it. Like I said, her eye, I feel like she had more of a halo. When I looked at the video, it looked like her center of the lid was a little bit lighter. So I went ahead and I grabbed a KIKO high pigment eyeshadow. And this is number 15. I'm gonna grab a dense brush. This one is from Sedona Lace EB15. And I'm just gonna deepen out the inner corners. And bring it by the crease. And I'm not gonna blend it all the way up. I'm gonna stay right here. Okay, now for the fun part. Right in the center of her lid had this even lighter green emerald eyeshadow or shade. So I picked up this gorgeous NYX pigment, and this one is number 24. So I'm gonna apply right in the center. Oh my lord. Okay, I need a brush because mama can't do this like this. Ow! Okay, I'm just gonna blend out those edges. And just because I'm a little bit extra, I'm gonna use this KIKO water eyeshadow. This one is 212, and it's another beautiful color. Oh my gosh, it's just stunning. I just really wanna make sure this pops. Like it's popping, but you know what I mean. And next though, we're gonna focus on the lower lash line. She had a continuation of that beautiful like green teal emerald shade. I don't know, all of that above. So I'm gonna apply this right on my waterline. Oh my god. And I'm gonna just make sure I connect it with the corner. I'm using this Kuso Sense BRCN08, and I'm just gonna smudge it in. I'm gonna set it with this KIKO water eyeshadow 212. So, ooh, Mariela, this looks gorgeous. I'm just gonna use this BH Cosmetics liquid liner, and I'm just gonna line my eyes really close to the lash line. For lashes, I'm gonna curl my lashes. I've been loving this Marc Jacobs mascara. It's called Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. This is no joke. I got this on a sample and on Sephora, and I really enjoy it. And of course, you guys know that for false lashes, I don't think she did. Honestly, I think you could have been fine just stopping and leaving it like this. I do have to add that inner corner with a little gold highlight. And you guys know that I love this Salon Perfect false lashes. This is 614 West Piece. You can find it at Walmart. Yes, and I'm actually gonna touch up the brow bone, which I'm almost forgetting. I use this KIKO Water Eyeshadow 208. This one was so popular. She had a really bold brow bone. Really the heck highlighted. You guys know that I like more my matte, but you know what? We are trying to recreate this look. I'm just gonna do it here too. Why not? Just bring it all the way. Now we're gonna use a small little brush, which I can't find at this moment. Oh, I found it right here. I'm just gonna highlight the inner corner. Well done. Apply the false lashes. I'll add a little concealer and I'll be back. I did a little baking, I did a little powder, so now we're gonna move on to a bronzer. I don't know about you guys, but I did order the J.Lo Inglot collab. I've been using a lot this bronzer, and also I've been using it as an eyeshadow, so we're just gonna jump in. You know, she is known for that bronze, and of course she did not disappoint on this video. Snatch this a little bit more, just trying to shrink my forehead. And we're gonna apply this by the jawline. For blush, I'm gonna use a limited edition collection. You can use any blush that you have. She had more of a warm with a gold undertone. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this one right here. This was the Becca Jaclyn Hill palette. And I like this because it has like a really gold undertone. And that's me. Ooh, this is pigmented. I forgot how pigmented this was. And then I'm gonna use, of course, highlights. I haven't put this down, the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This one is 100 Molten Gold. You guys, I don't know why I slept on this for such a long time, but it's gorgeous. And of course, she did have that highlight. I mean, we all know that. She's known for that glow. The sun-kissed, glowy look. Cupid's bow. Right about the brows. Woof! Girl, I'm glowing. Right down by the bridge of the nose. A little highlight right there, the tip of the nose. I'm gonna bring my big, fluffy powder brush and just get rid of that baking that I did before. So for lips, she had this black lipstick, and in the center, she had a green emerald shade. So I'm using this KIKO Instant Matte Lipstick. This one is number 15. I'm gonna use this NYX Cosmetic Metal Lip Cream. This one is number 3. This looks beautiful. I've never used this. I got this for free on an Ipsy bag. And I'm just gonna, oh my lord, stop it. I'm just gonna tap it with my finger. Another thing that I did, continue using that water eyeshadow and just tapping else just a little bit more. Yeah, oh my god. I mean, you can do both or one, whatever rocks your boat. Doesn't this look beautiful, you guys? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this little crown and do a little pose, and I'll be right back. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. I know I did. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, give it a like, share this video, and also don't forget to follow me all on my social media, BeautybyMariela. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until the next time, I'll see you on my next video. Mwah. Besitos.